Continuing to push lower midweek, AgDay's Michelle Rook looks ahead to what this week's supply and demand report could mean for markets now.
Joining us with markets, Tomm Pfitzenmaier with Summit Commodity Brokerage. And Tom, we have the big WASDE coming up on Friday. And of course, this is the first time we're going to see new crop estimates, right?
Trade estimates are looking for a carryout on corn of about 2.287. So, that's what 200 million, I guess, higher than the old crop carryout, which is a bit bearish. On the other hand, it's not all that different from the actually, it's a little bit less than the outlook numbers where they came out in February. So I don't know that. I mean, it's a bearish number on its face, but a lot of that's already been talked about and factored into the market. I think on soybeans, they're looking at the carryout of about 436, which is up almost 100 million bushel from what the 23-24 carryout was, and is almost perfectly in line with the USDA's February outlook number. So again, a bearish number. On the other hand, are people really going to be looking at bearishly? Or are they going to say, well, South America wasn't as good as they thought it was going to be, and we're having a little late planting and this and that? Maybe they're going to ignore the bearishness and look at some of those potentially positive things, and so you end up with somewhat of a neutral report.
Tom, talk about the South American numbers, because there's a big discrepancy between USDA and CONAB. Do you think we'll see that rectified at all in this report?
I think it will be a little bit. I think that's going to be a gradual process. Might take into the middle of the summer to get that accomplished. USDA has been reluctant to make changes until we get farther into harvest on soybeans, and that's the Brazilian harvest is about 95-96% complete. Just some areas in Rio Grande do Sul that have been too wet to get harvested. So that reconciliation should start to take place in a big way soon. Whether it'll show up in Friday's report in a big way, probably doubtful. But I think you're going to start to see that spread narrow.
Okay, thanks for joining us as always, Tomm Pfitzenmaier, Summit Commodity Brokerage, and we'll have more AgDay coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.